The new E1 buoy is a bespoke design built by Mobilis and supplied to the UK Met Office through Hydrosphere UK. The buoy has a float with a diameter of 3 metres, which has a central moon pool housing the removable cage for wet sensors. This is accessed through a hatch in the superstructure floor. The superstructure has been designed to house a large array of sensors as well as the power system, which comprises of 8 95-watt solar panels charging 2 banks of batteries, providing a capacity of over 600 ampere-hours. The top sensor mounting provides an internal ring for the placement of sensors and antennas, with an outer ring providing protection from collision. The control and logging system on the buoy is provided by 2 Axis Technologies Watchman 500 modules. These systems are highly adaptable, not only offering individually tailored sensor control and logging, but also mathematical functions for data handling and diagnostics. Both these systems have independent Iridium satellite communication systems that send data back to both PML and the UK Met Office on an hourly basis. Using the data management software provided with the modules, the systems can be fully reconfigured at sea using the satellite communications. Mounted in the centre of the superstructure, close to the floor, is the Axis Technologies Autonomous Triaxis system. This sensor measures directional, spectral waves, transmitting data back to both institutes on an hourly basis. This sensor has a resolution of 0.1 meters with a 1% accuracy for wave height and a 1 degree resolution for direction. Due to the sensor's location in the center of the top structure, it is mounted on an arm that can be levered up to gain access to the central moon pool. The meteorological sensors are mounted on the top ring of the buoy, and on the right of the image is the gill wind-sonic combined wind speed and direction sensor. Next to this, hanging below the rail, is the air temperature sensor and the relative humidity Rotronic hydro clip. Further round the large black column is the Druck RPT 350 atmospheric pressure sensor, housed in a Met Office designed housing and coupled to a Met Office static pressure head. Considerable attention is given to adapting the standard off-the-shelf products for long-term deployment on moored data buoys, including bespoke mounting systems. All these sensors perform within the guidelines of the World Meteorological Organization. Further round the rail is the Satlantic Digital Photosynthetically Active Radiation or PAR sensor. This measures the light intensity from the sun between 400 and 700 nanometers. The wet sensors are mounted on a cage which slides down to the bottom of the moon pool on a roller system. This cage houses a Wet Labs Water Quality Monitor (WQM), and this can be seen on the left of the picture. The WQM measures water temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen, chlorophyll A fluorescence and turbidity. In the centre of the picture is the Satlantic Sooner nitrate sensor fitted with a biowiper, and on the right of the picture is a Wet Labs coloured dissolved organic material or CDOM sensor also fitted with a biowiper. It can also be seen that the instrumentation is covered with copper tape to reduce the effects of biofouling. This works in combination with the sensor's built-in anti-fouling systems such as bleach injection and wiper technology. These sensors have been selected for this project due to their reliability and accuracy, but also for the enhanced anti-fouling technologies they offer. Planet Ocean is the UK supplier for Axis Technologies, Wet Labs and Satlantic equipment. Plymouth Marine Laboratory has mounted an Automatic Identification System, or AIS, to this buoy, in the same way as they have on the L4 buoy. This system has 2 main purposes. Firstly, to alert shipping to the location of the buoy through the navigation software. And secondly, the AIS information is received by PML, and automated software has been developed to monitor the buoy's location. If for any reason the buoy's position is altered, the system will automatically text several PML employees. The E1 buoy was deployed by Trinity House, and as part of their contract with the UK Met Office, they will be responsible for the regular maintenance of the mooring. Scientists from Plymouth Marine Laboratory also make regular trips to the buoy for cleaning and maintenance of the wet sensors. Despite employing some of the latest anti-fouling technology, it is still necessary to lift the wet sensor cage for cleaning and the replenishment of the bleach reservoir. The main problem experienced with the sensors is the fouling of the bio-wipers covering the optical windows, and the removal, cleaning and replacement of these wipers is periodically required. A 6.8 metre rib, licensed and coded for safe operation up to 20 miles offshore, is operated by PML for marine research and provides an ideal platform for the buoy maintenance. As the rib is high speed, the transit times are kept to a minimum, and having no superstructure, the risk of collision with the top sections of the buoy is eliminated, therefore preventing any serious damage to the sensors and antennas. Whilst on board the buoy, scientists take full advantage of their trip to clean the structure, including solar panels to maintain maximum efficiency. Sensors and cabling are also checked for damage, and the above-water optical sensor is cleaned. The platform has been designed to allow the wet sensor cage to be removed, cleaned and replaced, with the use of a pulley mounted at the top of the buoy structure and a roller system in the moon pool. This process is easily achieved at sea.